Good morning, y'all. I'm just kind of like cleaning. Look at my hair all buff. But I'm gonna just do like a motivation video. I'm cleaning and the struggles I go with Navea while I'm cleaning. Watch. Someone got out. I blocked her up and she still got out. What a girl. This is really good to have for your door. You can get it, we got it at the hardware store here, but it's to hold the door, put it under your door knob, and it's harder for them to break in. But for now, I'm using it on my back window. It still works great for that. You just put it in the little slot. This is really good. And what I'm using for cleaning around the house lately, I got this as a Christmas present from a friend of mine. And it's the Amway Home Multi-Purpose Cleaner. It really makes my floors feel so clean. I like it. I love it. and it's pet friendly as well, you know. So if you guys are interested in Amway products, leave me a comment below on my Instagram or whatever. I can hook you up with my girlfriend. She sells these. So this bottle here, it's very concentrated. You just add a little into this bottle here, and it can last you a while for that, and it makes it feel so clean. So I'm just gonna put this here, this thing here. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, you all right? See, so it really works there. You see that? Oh, security is important, yeah? Excuse. Look at her nose prints over there. You guys see them? Yes, ma'am. Back the lip. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Okay, let mommy do it. And this is how I mop my floor. I'm gonna do this side first. I'm just taking a small break. You know, gotta move slowly. So I just use this blue side. The brown, that side is all hair, so we gotta throw that in the wash. And all I do is, so I just spray this on the floor and then mop. Same thing that I was using earlier, the Amway. And it really makes my floor feel, right now it feels disgusting. It really makes it feel clean. Okay, so that's all the rubbish for the downstairs on Nevaeh's hair. Nosy girl. Yes, you're waiting the vacuum all day. So that's all the hair. Imagine if I had a husky or another dog with furrier hair, it would be half full, I bet. So this is my cleaning today. I just put those there for, you know, the queen over there. I mean, princess. She's not a queen. She's queen of Terra, that's for sure. Nah, she's a sweetheart still, but you know. Yeah, baby? So this is my cleanliness for today. I always sleep down here, so this is my blanket. And then I just made some lunch for myself. And you see how the floor is so clean, except for I gotta go over it because there's my footprints in there. Because I was walking over when it was. Hey guys, it's still raining in Hawaii. I'm just gonna do a small vlog. I'm just gonna go to that shopping center over there, check it out, see what's over there, and probably grab some coffee from Starbucks. So this is shopping center. I'm just again waiting for my bus, so I'm gonna check this place out. Look, they have a pancake house. Ooh, that sounds good right now. I don't know what's in that mini mall. Let's check it out. The only thing about like I always say, the COVID is that there's no place to sit down and eat, so I'm not gonna get anything. The pancake house would have been good. So that's just, I want to just go grab something from Starbucks. So every table here is not temporarily closed, but look at this cute, nice little. Hey guys, so I'm just out. I had an appointment today, so I'm just waiting for my bus to come. So I'm just gonna do some vlogging I'm at a shopping center. We're gonna go to the supermarket and go get some stuff there. Yes. Yeah, I was gonna buy popcorn there, but she never answered. I mean, she never even acknowledged that I was standing by the counter. So I just left. Yeah. So that's what she was doing all that time, was making something in there. Oh well, I don't need popcorn anyway, but yeah, it's still raining in Hawaii. So I just ended up just cutting my hair. I don't like the way this feels already. It feels damaged. I'm not gonna do it again, but just cut all those dead hair off, and I'm just gonna grow it out. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, this is a lot that's damaged, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go home and style it. I was running behind, so I didn't get a chance to have her style it. I just told her to cut. But my bus is not here yet, so yeah. You see, this side is like a fluff, and this side is just like a no life. You see that? This is a healthier side, and this is the damaged side. So we're just gonna let that grow out. I'm not gonna bleach it no more.